ako papasok. Bibidyohan ko lang. And then, hindi ko naman first time, pero first time kong mag-video dito po sa Trinoma. Kasi galing po ako ng GMA Kamuning. Dumiretso na lang po ako dito. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, daming tao nakaupo sa baba. Ang laki po ng Trinoma, no? Ay, super. Ayala po siya, Trinoma. Ayala sa may EDSA North EDSA. So, El Polo, Loco. Tapos, the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Dito po ito sa taas, pinakataas. Okay, sobrang daming pila sa tickets. I'm sure sa, movie house. Ano po movie ngayon? Ayun, parang Illumination. Ano pa ba yan? Grabe. Box office, Box office, Movie Snack, North Car Park. Ito yung kanilang movie house. Trinoma, Super Mario Galaxy. Ayan pala, yung Super Mario Galaxy. Ang pinagpilahan. Kaya pala. Pero hindi pa yata. Oo, yung ngayon pa lang ay huwag kang titingin. Cinema 2, Under Fire, drama naman yung Cinema 3. Uy, the drama. Ganun pala. Ito mga kakaming pa yata Uy, may senior. Ano pala ngayon dahil Monday. Kasi sa amin hindi na pwede Oo, dito pwede pa rin. So may movies na free, totally free. May movies na discounted ng 20%. Ayan, Trinoma po ito sa EDSA North. May fully booked po dito. Fully booked. Uy, wait, there's more. Miniso pala. Mas malapit yung Miniso. Tapos, doon ako nakafocus sa fully booked. Ang layo-layo Ibig sabihin ba niyan, far-sighted na ako? Hindi na ako near-sighted. Far-sighted na ako. Wow, congrats! Ay, Mitch Album pa rin. Mitch Album, Tuesdays with Maury. 5 people you meet in heaven. And then, Mitch Album na The Magic Strings of Frankie Presto. Saan pa ba? Ito, Maury. Tuesdays with Maury. An old man and a young man and life's greatest lesson. 5 people. Alam ko na yan. Ayan po na. Wala bang bago ni Mitch Album? Parang wala. Ito din alam ko na to The Stranger in the Lifeboat. Ayun din. Alam ko na rin to. The Stranger in the Lifeboat. Wala na yatang bago si Mitch Album, no? Ito naman si Paulo Coelho, The Alchemist. So, I've read that. The Supreme Gift, ito hindi pa, Paulo Coelho. Ano ba yung Supreme Gift na yan? Ano kaya ang Supreme Gift, no? Love is the rule that contains all the other rules. Wow, totoo naman. Love is the commandment that justifies all the other commandments. Love is the secret of life. Wow. Ganun. Fiction A to Z. Grabe, risk it all for magic, ruin it all for love. Yan po. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung laman nito. Hindi ko ito nabasa. Something new siguro po, no? Mahilig mga tao sa mga magic Ayan, Anyway. Ay, ito po yung mga classics, Les Miserables, ni Victor Hugo. Ito po, The Complete Tales and Poems of Edgar Allan Poe. Siyempre yung author si Edgar. The Gone with the Wind. Ayan po si Margaret Mitchell. Nabasa ko na yan. Ito, Homer and Odyssey also. Ito, hindi. Kasi ito manga edition. Ito, Wuthering Heights, narinig ko lang. Pero hindi ko pa binabasa. Animal Farm. Siyempre, napanood ko din yan sa movie ni George Orwell. Ayan, no? Buhay na buhay pa yung mga classics. Si Jane Austen. Siyempre, Sense and Sensibility. Wuthering Heights talaga, no? The Wuthering Heights. Ano kaya ang story ng Wuthering Heights? Alam niyo po ba? Classic na to eh. Ayan siya, oh. 451 po ang price. 451 has achieved an almost mythical status as a love story, yet it is also a unique masterpiece of the imagination, an unsettling, transgress talaga, novel about obsession, violence, and death. Oh no. It begins as a man is forced to shelter at a strange grim house on the Yorkshire moon during a snowstorm. There he discovers the tempestuous events that took place there years before, the intense love between Catherine Earnshaw and the foundling Heathcliff, her betrayal of him, and how his terrible revenge continues to haunt the present. Uy! Ano pala yan? Oo, parang katakot. The Little Women. O syempre, nabasa natin yung Louisa May Ascot. Oh, bakit Alcott nga ba? Akala ko Ascot eh. Oh, the 39 Steps, hindi ko yan nabasa. The Iliad, syempre kasama po yung Odyssey. Iliad and Odyssey. Oo. Alice. Ayan si Alice in Wonderland. Through the Looking Glass. Don Quixote. Oh, diba? House of the Dead. Dostoyevsky, Notes from Underground. Sa philosophy, may Aristotle, may How to be Stoic. Huwag ka lang mag-feel stoic ka na. Poetry. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila. Siyempre, religion, the Bible, ang Biblia, religion. The Parables of Peanuts, meron pa pala. The Parables of Peanuts. Uy, may Augustine, The Confessions. Ito, 1063. A real delight. From beginning to end, I could not be more pleased. Oh, talaga. Augustine, syempre. Favorite yan ng lahat. Hindi naman siguro lahat. Basta favorite ko din. A Warning, Anonymous, Ron Chernow. History naman yan. History of the Philippines. China after and Mao. Ay, after Mao. Pambatang diksyonaryo. Bathala. Parang si si Reyna Orduha. O Princess Orduha. Counting Filipinos. Kaya yung hinahanap ko yung bagong nanalo sa Nobel Prize in Literature. Saan kaya iyon? Yung 2025 na Nobel Prize winner sa literature. Non-fiction, psychology, science and math, language. Shape of Wonder. Saan kaya yun? I don't know where it is. The art of spending money. What's more important than money? What is? Nandyan siya. According to Robert Kiyosaki. Tingnan natin. Winning Teach Ikigai. How much is this book? $9.99. $9.99 si Ikigai. The Journey. At saka yung Blue, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. Wow. Ito. Shatterproof. Grabe. Si Tasha Yurik. Oo, mukhang interesting. Diba? Shatterproof eh. Oo. How to thrive in a world of constant chaos. And why resilience alone isn't enough. Tama ba? Lambot. Super lambot niya. Squishy talaga siya. Super lambot niya. Ay, grabe. Super lambot niya. Yay, squishy. Red mango. Have you tried this? Ay, try nyo na po ba? Si red mango. May banana. Cheesecake. Cornflakes. Granola. Sauces. Okay. Yan. Ayan, lalagyan